The Kybalion, for the kid within us. 7 sacred teachings told for the inner child. Chapter 6. Every cause has an effect. Imagine throwing a stone into a still lake. What happens? Ripples. You can't always see where they go, but the water remembers. It moves. It shifts. It speaks in waves. That's how cause and effect works. Everything you do, everything you say, everything you think creates ripples in the fabric of life. The Kybalion says, every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. Nothing just happens out of nowhere. Every moment is connected to a choice, a word, a thought, a feeling, an action, big or small. Even the quiet choices count, even the invisible ones. Have you ever smiled at someone and watched them light up? Have you ever been grumpy and felt the room get heavy? That's cause and effect. You are a source. You send out energy all the time. And the universe, like water, responds. Sometimes things show up in your life that are effects of choices you made long ago. Maybe a door opens because of the kindness you shared last season. Maybe a challenge returns because it's asking to be seen again. You are both the one casting ripples and the one standing in their echo. You are not being punished. You're being reminded. You are that powerful. You are not random. You are creative energy in motion. You don't have to control everything, but you can be intentional. You can choose your tone. You can bless your words. You can pause and listen before you splash the next stone into the lake. Here is an affirmation. My choices ripple through life. I move with care. I create with heart. What I send out returns to me in truth. Here is the closing mantra spoken out. I cast the stone with thought and grace. I trust the wave to find its place. I speak with love. I act with light. I shape my days and dream my night. I am the spark, the drop, the sea. What I send out returns to me. Up next is the mantra in a song format. I added a bonus guided breathing exercise.
I cast a stone with thought and grace. I trust the wave to find its place. I speak with love, I act with light. I shape my days and dream my night. I am the spark, the drop, the sea. What I send out returns to me. ade 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 ade